D. Ceiling mount expansion hook plus eye-bolts bracket installation method. Part 1. Preparation for installing expansion hooks. Prepare the necessary tools: electric drill, pistol drill, wrench, marker, tape measure, hammer. Expansion hooks, eye bolts, and 4 screws. Ladder. The sliding bracket can be adjusted to align with the wooden beam positions on the ceiling, allowing you to choose the optimal installation location based on your needs. Move the bracket to the appropriate distance. The recommended distance for this installation is 15 centimeters. Adjust according to the actual situation. Use a pistol drill to tighten the screws and secure the bracket. And install the eye bolts. Use a tape measure to measure the distance between the 2 eye bolts. Use a tape measure to determine the distance between the screen and the wall, ensuring sufficient space for installation. The recommended distance for this installation is 5 centimeters. Adjust according to the actual situation. Based on the previously reserved installation distance of 5 centimeters, measure the distance between the 2 eye bolts to determine the drilling positions, and mark them with a marker. If center-aligned installation with the wall is required for your screen, please view the following 3D animation demonstration. 3D animation demonstration. You may select installation positions based on your requirements. Alternatively, installation positions may be selected based on the wall centerline. Part 2. Install the expansion hooks. Drill holes. Prepare the tools. First, hammer expansion screws into drilled holes. Then, tighten the nuts, clockwise. The purpose is to ensure the expansion sleeve or tube fully expands and secures firmly. Demonstration of installed expansion hook. Part 3. Projector screen installation. Ensure 2 people and 2 ladders are ready before starting. Do not proceed without them. 2 people should work together to lift the screen onto the ladders. Then, climb the ladders and hang the screen. Installation complete, ready for demonstration.